finger.
Oh,
You
sorry,
numbskull. So I got word that there's a Roomba in somebody's lounge room, a wild Roomba. So we're gonna go investigate right now. Stop, demon.
Sir, how did this all happen?
Oh, you know, I was just walking to the park and I came back home to my lounge room and I saw this thing. It made the scariest sound. Like, hell, it was like, it ate my dog. I just ran away. Okay, you hear it right now. I've got word that this thing ate a literal dog. So I'm kind of scared right now. Come on, follow me. Get down, get down. Get a good look on that.
Oh, there it is, sir.
Hey, shut up. I'm the one that does the talking, right? It's pretty dark in here. I wish there was somewhere you could see.
Well, why don't you turn on the lights?
How about I turn on the lights? Oh, yeah. So as you can see, it's in its wrecked state right now. The room was locked to rest. But to get over and give it a proper trap, I'll give it a little call.
Sir, you're getting a little worried.
No worries, little Charlie.
A Mason.
Let's do that again.
Sir, I'm getting a little worried.
I got it, Charlie.
Well, my name's Mason.
Oh my God, Trevor.
My name's Mason.
Shut up! Finally, we got that bastard. It was a real tough job. Tune in next time on the Zeke Williams Show, where I'll catch a vacuum.
So, sir, how do you feel about us catching that Roomba that was rotting around in your lounge room?
What Roomba?